Being a homebody, I love spending time at home.
Natural light is extremely important to me as it brings a sense of calm to the home. And I love how this home is filled with natural light almost throughout the day.
So this is a 1,500 square feet apartment shared by my husband and me, and it has 3 bedrooms, out of which we turned one of the bedrooms into a home office. Again, we were lucky because we came on board at a very early stage. We could make whatever changes that we wanted, everything from the floor to the ceiling. I wanted a room that is just dedicated for my design work. So home office space was something that was non-negotiable for me. And here we planned the space in such a way that we opened it up with a glass window so that there's a lot of natural light flowing in. At the same time, it also doubles up as an extended living room, especially when we have family and friends over. I would say my design style is very clean and simple. I like using a lot of whites. I like a lot of natural materials, mixing up a lot of textures in a space. We wanted it to be primarily neutral, but we did add a lot of contrasting colors like the sage green sofa in the living room or the deep blue bar cabinetry in the dining space. The kitchen was a typical builder grade kitchen which shared the space with laundry area. So we decided to move the laundry to the balcony. That way we have a much larger kitchen and we could also maximize the storage that way. We got most of the furniture custom made by local artisans here. Storage was something which was crucial for us. We planned it in a way that it looks seamless. So we actually took advantage of all the alcoves in the rooms. We had floor to ceiling storage everywhere. So when it comes to decor, I love collecting a lot of handmade pottery. I love the imperfections on them. That's something which I try to fill my home with. So according to me, lighting breaks or makes a home. So it was essential for us to plan the lighting in advance. We didn't want any harsh lighting in the space. So there's a lot of accent lights that we've used. The glass swing door between the living and dining is another favorite addition of mine. It also helps to separate both the spaces and adds the bit of privacy that we were looking for. I've always grown up in an independent home all my life, and my childhood has a lot of memories spending time at my grandparents'. The homes were always small and cozy, and all the rooms were more of a private space. There was no such thing as open floor plan. So when I was looking for a home, I was looking for something which had that essence. I felt an immediate connect with this home because each space is private and it's still connected to the rest of the home.